If you think that ChatGPT is just a chatbot, then you're wrong. It's actually a powerful tool packed with features that most people never use. In this tutorial, I'm going to briefly introduce some of ChatGPT's most powerful tools. And if there's a demand, I'll create a longer, in-depth tutorial later on. Creating and editing with DALI. DALI is a built-in tool in ChatGPT that lets you create images by typing a description. You can use DALI for blog illustrations, design ideas, product mockups, or just visualizing an idea quickly. DALI lets you create images by typing a description. Type your prompt, like a peaceful garden with a futuristic glass house. You can also edit the image by clicking on the image, selecting a part, and describing the change, and ChatGPT edits that for you. You can build your own personal AI assistant inside ChatGPT. Let me teach you how. This is Steve. He keeps me on track with my daily schedule. He's like a calm digital accountability partner. Here is how I created Steve inside ChatGPT. You can start by clicking on Explore GPT on the left sidebar. Next, click the Create button in the top right corner. Give your assistant a name and a short description. Now you can define how you want your assistant to behave. I told Steve to be calm, clear, and keep me focused. Then I selected the tools I want Steve to use, like image generation and file analysis. Finally, I click Save, and just like that, Steve is ready to go. Now, every morning, Steve checks in on me and helps me plan my day. ChatGPT can analyze file, do calculations, and create graphs instantly. You can upload a CSV, Excel file, or text document. ChatGPT will read and understand it immediately. Here's another thing ChatGPT can do for you and is a real time saver. ChatGPT can clean your data, find patterns, and even generate graphs for you. I uploaded a sales spreadsheet into ChatGPT, and it instantly gave me a summary. It identified trends and generated a colorful chart for me. Another thing you can do is upload an image and let the chat explain what's in the image. Let me know if you want a full deep dive into ChatGPT and I can build a longer tutorial. Thanks for watching and go build something useful.